There's been a few issues recently with the roundabout at Ketley Brook, and we just thought we'd explain why. Now, as you come up, you can see the left lane clearly says straight ahead and left. However, if you were staying in that lane, as you got to by the traffic lights, you see the road marking keeps you in the left lane. It doesn't let you go straight ahead, which is the problem the van has in front. If you notice, he has to signal to move across because, of course, if you're crossing the white line, you're changing lanes. Well, as of yesterday, as you come up to the roundabout now, you'll notice that you stay in the left lane, which should take you straight ahead towards the M54 and Ketley, but they have redone the line. So as you come up now, you notice that from the left lane, there's no white line across your path. The white lines you can see are to bring the traffic round from the other direction. So if we're going straight ahead, use the left lane. That will lead you into the middle lane.